Engineering the tools of scientific discovery looks to address the constant need for better technology in our society. As we grow in intelligence as a species, we perpetually face the demand for greater and more complex tools, especially in space exploration. In the last half of the century, we have escalated from landing on the moon to venturing into the outer planets through satellite and making plans to colonize Mars. The solutions we've come across over the years have just brought forth a next level of problems. In the world of video games, these problems act as endless stages, or levels, that the scientists must solve to get to the next task. So in abstract terms, yes, the problem is trying to address more problems. Society has long been aware that this is the case in developing new tools. There will always be a need for new technology.
Humanity has always been enchanted with exploration. From the beginning of time, travel has been deemed necessary for food, protection, even knowledge. This took off in the Age of Curiosity with Galileo's fascination of the sun, moon, and stars. Who's responsible for this? Scientists, engineers, and mathematicians, of course. The hunger for more knowledge brought forth a need of travel and exploration of further destinations. Through crafting of vessels, rovers, satellites, and computer programs, we have been able to exponentially grow as a scientific community and our needs have expanded.
Whether or not we've been aware, society has been actively creating solutions to these problems for their entire existence. Even before Armstrong's landing on the moon, we were crafting satellites and equipment to go into space, using these tools to monitor and collect data for scientific use. After discovering that human space exploration was a reality, scientists and engineers ran into problems such as cost efficiency and human sustainability. As a result, cheaper materials were used, as well as the creation of the Mars rover, which still exists today. Engineers have even made satellites that have gone so far they've left our solar system. As for the colonization of Mars, there have been many possible present solutions. Scientists have been in the works of developing energy-efficient tents that can withstand Mars' harsh living environment while also keeping the astronauts safe inside and well contained in the simulated atmosphere of Earth. In Hawaii, there is a simulation trial that astronauts are living in, testing the theoretical possibilities while they would on the red, barren planet. The crew in training are learning to live together and prosper in the confined space. They learn unique gardening tools, communication techniques, and sustainability and resourcefulness. All of the resources and solutions that have been entertained over the last several years is set to soon become a reality, and soon after they become as such, this information will be used to launch humanity into further greatness and push the boundaries even further into the stars.
Any way this grand challenge is viewed, it will never be truly solved. With each innovation that comes into existence, an exponentially greater task awaits. Neil Armstrong landed on the moon. Now what? The Curiosity rover was made and put on Mars. Now what? The first high-quality photograph of Pluto was taken. Now what? By solving one small piece of the puzzle, a larger one is unlocked, waiting to be solved along with other smaller pieces of the picture. What's next? The next big milestone is to colonize Mars. That can be accomplished, but what is after that? How will humanity get there? Will we, as a race, be successful again and again? The details lie in the challenge. Engineering the tools for scientific discovery will forever be a challenge as long as we still have the drive and passion for it. We can always engineer tools for scientific discovery, but it's the drive that gets us there. Where is there, you might ask? If you're lucky, you might find yourself venturing among the stars, looking for the next great adventure among the mysteries of life.